Welcome to the world of US Duct, where quality meets innovation in industrial ductwork, where we make ductwork fast and easy for everyone in every application. Our systems are designed to adjust on the fly, giving you flexible, no-fuss setups to meet any workspace need. Our rolled lip duct is infinitely adjustable, making it incredibly easy to install. Our clamped-together tubing takes it to the next step by making it incredibly air and liquid tight. And our flanged duct system takes over when size matters. From clamped-together designs for rapid installs to custom made-to-order solutions, we provide everything you need for safe, efficient dust and fume collection. Our clamped-together duct systems allow infinite adjustability. No more re-welding or downtime. Cut it too short? Adjust. Cut it too long? Adjust. At US Duct, we're more than just products. We're partners. Count on expert guidance every step of the way. We know that ducting is not what most of our customers do every day. We provide that knowledge, and we keep it simple. Visit us online and discover the future of industrial ductwork. US Duct, made for pros, built to last. So whether you are looking for a few parts, a solution to a dust problem, big or small, let us help you make it fast, easy, and simple.